Hello viewer, today I am going to show you how to delete all table from a database. Like here I have several tables, so I want to delete all tables. The problem is if you want to delete, if I want to delete this table and I go right mouse click and then go delete, I cannot delete it because it says it has some kind of foreign key, cannot drop object because it is referenced by a foreign key constraint. That means this table, other tables depend on this table, so I cannot delete this one. Okay. Also, sometimes there can be several reasons why we need to delete a table. We need to empty our database and delete all tables. The first thing is I have some views here also, and also I have some store procedure. So I don't want to delete the database. If I want to delete the database, I can do it. I can select database, at mouse click and select delete. Then okay, but I cannot also delete this one. So system will say I cannot delete this database. See, drop failed because cannot drop the database because it is currently in use. Okay, no problem. If I want to drop this database, then in that case I have to right mouse click in the server, and first of thing I'm using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and this is SQL Server 2019, but this thing is common for any version. I'm using 2019 doesn't mean you cannot use any other version. The thing is same. So first I have to restart this server. For restarting this server, I need to right mouse it and then restart. If I restart, then yeah, my server already restarted. Now I want to delete. I can delete this database. Select the database and delete. It will delete easily, no problem. But I don't want it. Why? Because I told you there I have some store procedures in it, and I have some views. First I restore the database, device, and in the add, and I have location here. I choose this file, add, and yeah, location. I can go files and check, yes, location is okay. I want to use this location, the old location. Okay, I can change the name if I want, like it was N, I don't want N. Okay, so everything looks good and I can restore. Yeah, successfully restored. So what I said, I want to delete all these tables because I'm going to recreate these tables again, but I just don't want to delete this view and also these store procedures. So how to do that? To deleting this thing, we can go some queries also, like we can write queries like drop table, let's say ASP.NET user. This one I want to show you because this is foreign key dependency relationship. Other tables actually depend on this table, so I want to drop this table. Not possible. Same reason. If I want to drop any other table like okay, this one classroom, same, I cannot delete. And most important thing, I don't want to delete one by one. What I want to delete all tables in one go, or let's any easy way. So what is the easy way? Let's check. The easy way is first you have to go view and object explorer details. Then you have to select the table. When you select table, you can see all tables here, and you can select Ctrl A to select all. But I don't need these other folders. I just need only table. So I click here, and then I can click Shift and click this one. So I select all the tables, or I can just go through the with my mouse and select only this table, and then right mouse click and delete. So it's asking me, I'm sure I'm doing delete. Yes, I want to sure. I'm sure I want to delete this table and click some tables already deleted, but these red are here cannot delete. It's okay. I try again, and in this case more delete and more red comes. That means actually those tables are not exist now, that's why it shows red, and this table already success, so it shows green. I try again, and it shows still there is one green, so I try again until I see all red. I keep trying. So see, now I click OK. There is no green, that means all my table are deleted, and I can cancel now and check here, refresh here. Yes, all my tables gone. So let me show you how I create again. Go Visual Studio and recreate those tables again. I'm using ASP.NET Core for my development, and I'm using Entity Framework. In between I can show you one thing, that my views are still there. See, my views are still there, and my stroke procedure is still there. So in that case, if I try my view to select 100 rows, I will get error because there is no table actually. What I can say, I'm showing this part. Actually, this video not for ASP.NET Core or table generation part, but I'm showing you so you can understand this thing, why I actually do it. So add migration, and give one name, test. Okay. Even you are not using ASP.NET Core or Entity Framework, it doesn't matter. I'm just showing this part to make you understand why I actually do this. When I actually use ASP.NET Core, several times I need to, because I'm in development mode, and because of development process, several times I need to just delete my tables and recreate it. In the setup, now I can update database, and we are done. So I can go and check and refresh my table. Yeah, all tables come back. So if I go now, if I try to run my view, it's okay. This is the most easiest way. You just need to go view, object explore details, or F7. You can press F7. It will come, and you have to select tables. Also, you have to just go through mouse and select the tables, and right mouse click and delete. If you delete, first chance it try to delete all the tables. Green means it already success to delete some tables, but these 4 tables it cannot delete. No problem. As we try again. So now this time only 3 tables it can delete, and still 1 remain. Somehow is 1 remain. Yes, ASP.NET user, that is the one. And now delete. And now we get all success, and now all red. So even if to make you understand more, I click again, so I should see all red. All red means no table is exist anymore, so it's clear. When SQL Server tried to delete, actually it finds error. So it is actually a trick. If you see error, it feels bad that why error, but actually it is a trick to understand that if SQL Server finds something and delete, it means SQL Server is successful to do that job. But when it not find it, he cannot drop it, and when he cannot drop it, it said it is error. But for us, actually, it is the right answer. It's just a bit tricky, but it works. And now if I want to go and create it again, I can do it without any hassle. Add migration, and now update database. Yeah, now I can check. Table, refresh. Yeah, all my table is there.
I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.